Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn about super useful words for daily use. Courageous. Courageous. Meaning: brave, fearless, bold. Example: she is very courageous in facing challenges. Juvenile. Juvenile. Meaning: young, fresh, youthful. Example: she looks very fresh and youthful. Fit. Fit. Meaning: healthy, well, in good health. Example: she looks very fit. She looks very fit. Occupied. Occupied. Meaning: busy, engaged. Example: I am occupied with work all day. I am occupied with work all day. Chat. Chat. Meaning: talk, converse, discuss. Example: shall we chat about our day? Shall we chat about our day? Rapid. Rapid. Meaning: fast, speedy, quick. Example: she is a rapid runner. She is a rapid runner. Uncover. Uncover. Meaning: open, loose. Example: can you uncover the box? Can you uncover the box? Luminous. Luminous. Meaning: shining, bright, radiant. Example: the stars look luminous tonight. The stars look luminous tonight. Listen. Listen. Meaning: hear, pay attention. Example: please pay attention while I speak. Please pay attention while I speak. Slumber. Slumber. Meaning: sleep, rest, doze. Example: I need to slumber early tonight. I need to slumber early tonight. Devour. Devour. Meaning: eat, consume, ingest. Example: I'm hungry. Let's devour this pizza. Educate. Educate. Meaning: teach, instruct. Example: can you educate me on this topic? Can you educate me on this topic? Caring. Caring. Meaning: kind, benevolent. Example: he is very caring and benevolent. He is very caring and benevolent. Sugary. Sugary. Meaning: sweet. Example: the cake is very sweet. The cake is very sweet. Drained. drained, meaning tired, exhausted. Example: I am feeling completely drained today. I am feeling completely drained today. Gloomy, gloomy, meaning sad, unhappy. Example: he seems a bit gloomy today. He seems a bit gloomy today. Purchase, purchase, meaning buy. Example: I need to purchase some groceries. I need to purchase some groceries. Participate, participate, meaning take part in, engage in. Example: let's participate in the game. Let's participate in the game. Thanks for watching and like this video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.